Hi, I'm Dr. Sri Rao, consultant ENT surgeon at Dr. Rao's ENT Group of Hospitals, Hyderabad. What is a preauricular sinus? Well, it's a small hole or pit that's present just in front of the ear, typically in the area where the ear joins our face. How are these preauricular pits or sinuses formed? These sinuses they develop during fetal development when certain parts of the ear and the surrounding structures do not fuse together. This incomplete fusion leads to a formation of small pit or sinus. These preauricular sinuses are usually benign and they do not cause any problems for most of the people. However, in some situations, they can become infected, leading to symptoms such as redness surrounding area, the swelling, and sometimes drainage of pus, including facial cellulitis too, on one side of the face. What are the treatment options available for this preauricular sinus? When a patient comes to us with a preauricular sinus, we first examine and check whether the preauricular sinus is present in one ear or present in both the ears too. We also check for preauricular sinuses or any other sinuses anywhere else in the body, like on either side of the neck. Sinuses are congenital anomalies. They are born at the time of birth. They may be associated with other congenital anomalies in the body also. That's a foremost important situation where we need to rule out certain bad syndromes. Once we make sure that the patient has only preauricular sinus and it's not associated with any other syndromes, we first check whether the sinus is being infected or not. If the preauricular sinus is not infected, keep the patient under observation. No active intervention is required in such situations. If preauricular sinus is infected, there is redness around the sinus, there is some abscess formation around the sinus. We initially treat it with antibiotics. If this is the first episode of preauricular sinus infection, once again place the patient under observation. But if this keeps recurring over and over again, we opt for surgical procedure. The surgical procedure would be as simple as it hardly takes somewhere around 20 to 30 minutes, and if done under correct planes, once done will be the permanent solution. If this preauricular sinus is present with any other syndromes, like they may also have two fistulas, bronchial fistula, like in this scenario, or sometimes they may also be associated with some kidney anomalies. Some kids also do have some hearing loss, or they may also have maldevelopment of the ears. We term that as hemifacial microsomia. If they are associated with these syndromes, we usually operate everything in a single sitting. So, take home message is that preauricular sinus is something which is a benign condition which does not require any kind of intervention if it is not infected. But if this preauricular sinus gets infected, this needs an intervention. But this should be thoroughly examined for other systemic conditions also. If you have any questions or queries regarding preauricular sinus, please do ask in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you. Namaste.